Tefen here from Tefen's Tech, and I know it's been a while since I've done a video, so I figured, well, I got this package in the mail, let's open her up, and just do a, sorry for that noise, just do a quick one off here, because some of the reasons there hasn't been videos is I've not had time for the editing process, which if you do them yourself, you are very much aware of the time that takes. So, all right, what is it we have here? It is a, well, instead of telling you, let's just wait and see. Trusty kunai blade. All right. Okay, and here we are. So, now let's open it. And what is this for, one might ask? Well, this is a green fan, and what could it be for? What could it be for? Well, this is actually for the Extreme Pentium build that I made for my son. You might have seen some build logs or the teaser photo of. So I got to take out the green Cooler Master fan that was in the back and replace it with this one, because I need the Cooler Master one for my Tiberium reactor build, most likely. So anyway, yeah, it looks like we might probably have to modify the connecting piece on that, but shouldn't be a problem. Shit. Since it doesn't have the right connector, I can't test this for you on camera. So, oh well, too bad. There it is. It's got green lights, green plastic, so pretty cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. Check back with us over the next month or two. We're working on getting a merch store going, so you can buy shirts like this one you see here. And other than that, check us out on the Instagram at Tefen's Tech. We're starting to get that going some more, and working on a bunch of other things behind the scenes, and trying to be getting some work done on the Retro PC Gamers lately. So check that out. Going over retropcgamers.com and facebook.com/retropcgamers and group/retropcgamers. Anyway, also make sure to check out our other affiliate or groups or companies run by us. We got the PC Parts Trade, the PC Tech Computer, and coming up soon, Cosplaying Computers. Well, it's kind of already out there. You can check it out right now on the Facebook, but we're working on hopefully getting a website and Instagram and all the other stuff. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Have a very happy day.